Hi everyone, my name is Jianhong Zhang. I come from Tsinghua University, Beijing, China. My topic is challenges to geotechnical engineering education. Here is the content of my presentation. First is a short introduction. The 21st century has witnessed vast changes in socio-economic structure and rapid advance of information technology. It had great impact on education. Therefore, comprehensive reform has been made in education, and people learn in very flexible way online, using a mobile phone, laptop, computer, at home, in office, and some other places as well. And this change has bring great challenges to education. First, profound economic structure transformation. China is undergoing a profound transition from engineering-oriented to resource-environment-oriented development. Resource shortage, natural disaster, and ecological deterioration are becoming major concerns. This transition brings significant changes in professional personnel demands. For example, comprehensive knowledge, executive ability, crisis management capacity, and etc. And also changes in talent demand. It is a common desire to strengthen cooperation and seek mutual beneficial development. It requires the personnel involved be familiar with international rules and technical codes in relevant disciplines, have language skills, regional knowledge, and intercultural communication skills. So there's also changes in talent training mode. Web-based education is and will be for some time to come a heady topic of debate in terms of teaching, thinking, learning, and organization. Online and offline education can be viewed as conflicting, complementary, or multi-mode combined. It is questioned if a new pattern of education will be created and thus destabilize dominant positions of leading universities. So some measures have been figured out to tackle these challenges. First is educational goal. Tsinghua University defined the educational goal of value building, ability training, and knowledge imparting. Value building aims to enhance understanding of responsibilities and involvement in diversified society. Ability training aims to achieve competence associated with professions. Knowledge imparting aims to convey a broad base of knowledge in relevant fields that can be applied to different professions. In order to fulfill the educational goal, some methods have been applied. For instance, a tutor is assigned for students, freshman students of 5 to 7, to enhance the communication in geotechnical profession. And some students will join the Student Research Training SRT program, so they can do soil testing in laboratory and visit land reclamation projects. Outcome-based evaluation of learning was proposed by Accreditation Board for Engineering. It was incorporated by Tsinghua University. This evaluation method pays attention to learning effectiveness and implement and examine learning effectiveness so as to lay foundation for students' career after graduation. International perspective is also emphasized for students to understand a specific subject area and the global community. Broad knowledge system is always important for students. Comprehensive reform has been made to the curriculum. the School of Civil Engineering, Tsinghua University. Civil engineering, hydraulic engineering, ocean, transportation, and construction management used to be independent disciplines. A new curriculum is designed to have general courses for the first 1.5 years, and more opportunities are provided for students to try other disciplines. Complementary classes. You have 4 classes: lecturing, testing, off-campus practice, overseas training. Here is the traditional lectures. Students and teachers in classroom. And we also have massive open online courses, we call them MOOCs, of soil mechanics. So students and engineers can access this course all over China for free. And during pandemic COVID-19, online courses was delivered because the students cannot go back to university, and the campus is almost empty. And the soil testing in laboratory is always compulsory for students in Tsinghua University. And we also know we can learn our knowledge in practice. So off-campus practice is organized with courses like construction site visit or foundation engineering. And also international communication is also important. And students are inspired to have experience overseas. And finally, a short summary. Education is to inspire students' inner motivation to explore the unknown and new world, to use their knowledge and skills for the enhancement of human welfare, to encourage and support students to uphold and advance the integrity, honor, and dignity of the geotechnical profession. As geotechnical engineering moves forward, it never ceases to innovate, and education always stays driven. Thank you for your attention.